Hi, myself Debalina Chatterjee and I am a certified Silva Method Instructor and your mind coach. First, a big thank you for showing your interest and giving us the opportunity to serve you. And congratulations that you have taken this small step to create a big shift in your life towards betterment. This mind control interactive course is for 99 Indian rupees and for 3 hours. Now, for whom this course is? Number 1. If you are struggling to manage your emotions and end up reacting, and if someone is saying no to you, it just passes out in your mind. Number 2. You feel that you are the one who constantly getting victimized. Every worst thing is happening with you only. Number 3. You are not able to concentrate on anything. You are losing your focus. Number 4. You are not able to maintain the work-life balance, not able to manage the time for yourself, for your family. Number 5. You are not happy in your relationship. You end up losing friends, losing family members. Even you are not happy with your partner. Next, you are dealing with lots of stress, anxiety, depression, having constant suicidal thoughts, and you are struggling a lot to get a better life that you truly deserve. Then trust me, you are in the right place. Now, what you will learn in this 3 hours. Number 1, understanding the connection between mind, body, and brain. Why? Because we know that our brain is something that is controlling our physical body. And it's our mind or our thoughts that are actually controlling our brain. So it's very important to understand the synchronization, the connection between this mind, body, and brain. Next, how to enter at alpha level of mind. Why? Because this is the deeper brainwave level, the slower brainwave level, and if we learn how to enter to this level of mind, being conscious, being active, then we can achieve everything that we deserve. Next, you will learn an exercise, an amazing meditation to enter to this alpha level of mind. This will be a guided meditation. Next, you will learn the benefits of using alpha level or entering at alpha level and staying at alpha level. Next, the power of affirmations. We all have heard about affirmations. Now, how it actually works and the science behind it. Next, you will learn how to create your own affirmations. We will help you to create your own affirmations. It will be personalized affirmations for all of you based on your requirements. Now, positive affirmation meditation. This will also be a guided meditation, a dynamic meditation. Next, you will learn how to balance your emotions, how to control your emotions, and a special guided meditation on this emotional management. Next, you will learn what is subconscious mind and how you can reprogram your subconscious mind so that it works for you. And along with this, you are going to get some amazing bonuses once you will register in this. And I want to mention one more thing, that exactly after 1 month, we will have a live review call, Zoom call again, so that we can check out your progress, how you are practicing the meditations, and we can clarify all your doubts that you are going to have after completion of the session and after practicing 1 month as per our guidance. Also, after completion of the session, you can drop a mail to us to schedule a one-to-one interactive session to clarify your doubts personally. I can promise you this 3 hours will be one of your best investment in this year. If you have any further queries, feel free to reach out to us in this contact details. 99 rupees are very little investment for you, but the things that you are going to achieve will be there for your entire lifetime. Can't wait to see you all in this workshop.